There is a psychology trick that makes people trust you instantly. You're probably doing the opposite, so that's why people are not listening to you. Scientists tested this. They had two people give the same information. Person A talked fast, used a lot of words, sounded confident. Person B talked slowly, used fewer words, paused between sentences. People rated person B as more confident, trustworthy, credible, and intelligent, even when they said the same exact thing. And here's why. When someone talks fast, your brain thinks they are nervous, they are hiding something, or they are not confident. When someone talks slow, your brain thinks they are in control, they are thoughtful, they know what they are saying. It's called the speech rate effect. Slow speed equals perceived authority, and fast speed equals perceived anxiety. Your brain makes judgment in milliseconds before you even realize it. This works everywhere. In job interviews, the person who speaks slower gets the job. In sales, the person who knows to pause gets the sales. In relationships, the person who listens and speaks patiently gets more brownie points. In social situations, the person who counts their words are even considered wiser than any other one in the room. So speed equals desperation and slowness equals stability. Your audience reads your pace as your confidence level. So here's what to do. Speak 30% slower than the usual. Pause 2 to 3 seconds before the next big idea. Give the silence some power. People will think you are smarter, more in control, more confident, and more trustworthy. The irony? You haven't changed what you're saying, but you have just changed how you're saying it. And suddenly, people listen. Try this right now. In your next conversation, speak slower, pause longer, and see the magic work. And watch how people respond to you. And don't forget to comment if that worked or not. Bonus point. If you think someone is lying to you, then keep looking at them silently with pauses, talk few words, and look straight into their eyes. And you'll know if they blabber a lot, they are lying. Follow for more and take care.